Well, I made a decision. The wiring in a Transit just runs in a track all down the side, and it's kind of in the way. I've seen people take and just tie it up to the ceiling, and then they have to shim it out about 1 inch so their walls clear it. So what I've done, being I took the whole van apart to paint it, was, right or wrong, this is a piece of hardened steel. You can't drill it, but I traced a 2-inch circle and used a die grinder with a cutoff wheel in it, basically a Dremel. And then behind it, you may or may not be able to see it, there's another bulkhead, which is not hardened steel. I just used the 2-inch hole saw. And then I used these rubber grommets, 2-inch rubber grommets, to fill the hole to keep the wires from chafing. I haven't done this one yet, but that's where that'll go. And then all my wires behind that big blob thing that sits here will all be hidden. And then the other thing I've seen people do is that they come out here because there's another bulkhead in there. So what I did, this is the left side. Because I may have more wires, I went 1.5 holes, so a 2-inch hole with a 2-inch hole saw, and then a 1/2 hole saw down below. And what you do is you start one, start the other one, that way your centering drill is already there. Then I can run my wires inside this all the way back and not have to worry about it. On the right hand side, and I'm planning for the future, is any electronics I want over the door. Same thing, there was a full bulkhead here. Again, 2-inch hole saw, and I'll put one of these rubber gaskets to keep the wires from chafing, and now I can access the full run on both sides of my van.